going on, folks? Michael here with another awesome episode. In today's episode, we're going to be testing out some wiper blades by Dynoels. These are some budget-friendly blades here that we're going to be trying out on my Dodge Cummins truck. And I'm pretty excited to try these because, you know, typically I like things that are nice, just on certain applications only. Like, I like nice wiper blades and I like nice tires. I always go the extra mile when I get tires, and typically wiper blades too. And I run either the Bosch Icon X or whatever the latest and greatest is, or the Rain X. The Rain X. Those two always seem to go toe to toe as far as being the best, you know, wiper blade out there or whatever. I think right now on my BMW I have the Rain X ones, and I've had them for about 2 years now. And the reason I got those over the Icon is they're supposed to be impregnated with their Rain X solution or something. I don't know, whatever, blah, blah, blah. But up here in the Pacific Northwest, you guys know it rains a lot. Our rain season might last 6 months. We just got done with about a week's worth of rain. We're supposed to have a couple clear days here or whatever. But, you know, having good windshield wipers, in my opinion, is very important on your vehicle. And so I thought I'd share this video with you guys. These were actually sent to me by Dynoels, and I'm going to post links down in the description. You guys can order these. And another cool thing about this company is they sell refills. So some of you guys may or may not be familiar with refills, but I remember as a kid, like, you could go into the gas station and buy refills for like $1 or $2 and just snap out the rubber piece but leave the frame. Nowadays it's a bit different, and I don't remember the last time I've seen refills. In fact, I don't think I've ever used refills. But if you guys are into that and can use refills on your blades, this company on Amazon, they do sell refills, and they're cheap. You know, I think I found a couple on there, like 4 for like $10 or something. These wiper blades that are coming here that are complete, they're running about I think between $17 and $20 or something like that. So here they are. They come with a little bit of hardware adapters to fit your vehicle. They got some, you know, charts here showing you how to hook it up and stuff. And something on the front I found kind of interesting. It, you know, segmented design, bearing capacity technology, whatever that means. But it just grabbed my eye for some reason, and it's kind of showing how it's applying different pressures in different areas or whatever. So I don't know, it'll be interesting to try these. Kind of excited to try these. So in this video we're going to install these and we're going to give them a shot and see how they go. One thing I'm noticing right off the bat here, which I really like, there is a lip here, like a spoiler, okay? And this is going to sound a little weird when I say this. I always feel weird, but my main gripe with higher end wiper blades is the lift you get at higher speeds. And some people might say, well, you shouldn't be driving that fast in those conditions, but in some conditions you might find yourself in that situation. I don't know, but at say 80-90 miles an hour in the pouring rain, you'll start getting lift on wiper blades, and then your wiper blades kind of quit working at that point. So these have a nice little lip here, and I don't know if that's going to help keep them down, or if that's there specifically to do that, or what. So yeah, let's get them installed and see what happens. All right, so those were super easy to install, way easier to install than like something like this that I pulled off. These are the wipers that came with the truck. They actually look really similar. These are Bosch blades here, so yeah, but they were definitely wore out. So who knows how long they've been on the truck. They're all grimy and dirty, whatever. So yeah, Dynoels wiper blades, clean and quiet. Let's go give them a test run. Those work good. Yep. All right, folks, it's finally raining here in Oregon. Imagine that. So we're out here testing these Dynoels wipers out, and we've been driving around today, running errands and stuff, and they really work good. Oh look, I thought they won the drag race. I'll light them up right now. Don't make me. Oh, the tuner's not on. Got a little bit of boost lag there. And we're getting a little bit of fog, but let's check this out, guys. These are really good. See how good they just wipe that stuff clear.
The speed bumps are really rough.
I haven't tried them. On the freeway yet. Try to get some footage of them on the freeway, but just cruising around town, I mean, they work great. So I'd say for the price and the ease of ordering these on Amazon, I'd say they're worth it. Only time will tell how long they last and the longevity, but these look a lot like the Icon blades that I pulled off of here as far as the design and everything goes. So, but yeah, they work good. You can see there's no streaks, and getting a little bit of streak maybe on the very edge here, but it's not too much of a concern. Could just be because the windshield's hot too. I don't know, but yeah, overall, I'm super impressed with these things. So check the link in the description. And of course, use the coupon discount code that I've got posted up down below. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Seen some of these lately.